In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare PDF files in Adobe Acrobat. This is perfect when you have two versions of a document and need to quickly spot what's changed without reading line by line. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro. You don't need to open any PDF yet. We'll use a built-in tool. From the home screen, go to the Tools tab, then choose Compare Files. This opens the Compare interface with two slots, Older File and Newer File. Click Select File under Older File and choose the previous version. Then click Select File under Newer File and choose the latest version. Picking the right file in each slot matters because Acrobat labels changes relative to the older version. A simple naming convention helps, something like filename 1 and filename v2, so you don't mix them up. Before you run the comparison, you can fine-tune what Acrobat should look at. Click the gear icon for settings. You can include text, images, formatting, and annotations. If you're focused on content changes, keep text on. If layout or comment edits matter, enable formatting and annotations as well. When you're satisfied, click OK. Now click Compare. Acrobat analyzes both documents and builds a detailed report. This can take a moment for large or image-heavy files, so sit tight. When the results load, you'll see a clear side-by-side view with differences highlighted and a summary panel that organizes them by type and page. Use the summary to jump straight to areas with changes, and use zoom and scroll to review details. As you read, pay attention to the color coding. Green indicates added content, red marks removed content, and yellow shows modified content. This makes it easy to scan for insertions, deletions, or edits without second-guessing what happened. A few review tips to make this smoother. Confirm that page numbers align as expected, especially if one version has extra pages. Use synchronized scrolling to keep both versions in view, and if the changes feel noisy, filter the results to focus on a single category like text only. Remember, comparing doesn't alter your original PDFs, you're just viewing a report. Once you've checked the highlights and summary, you'll have a reliable record of what changed between the two versions. That's all you need to quickly validate edits, prepare revisions, or sign off on final drafts.